Dear friends, today's question is about volume of a sphere, finding the given area of a sphere. Question is, the sum of the radii of spheres A and B is 14 cm. The radius of A being larger than that of sphere B. The difference between their surface areas is 112 pi. What is the ratio of the volumes of A and B? Here given the relation between radius of two spheres A and B. Radius of A is larger than radius of B. Sum of the radius is 14 cm. And also given surface area, it is 112 pi. We have to find out the volume ratio of volumes of A and B. Let radius of A is R1 and radius of B is R2. Then as per question, R1 plus R2 equal to 14, where R1 greater than R2. Put this as equation 1. Surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square. What is the equation of surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. Given that 4 pi r1 square minus 4 pi r2 square equal to 112 pi. 4 pi is common, so we can write as 4 pi into r1 square minus r2 square equal to 112 pi. On both sides of the equation there is a pi, we can cancel it. Next, r1 square minus r2 square equal to 112 divided by 4. When dividing by 4 on both sides, right side 4 becomes 1 and right side it is 112 by 4. Which is equal to 28. Therefore, r1 square minus r2 square is equal to 28. r1 square minus r2 square is same as a square minus b square. We know a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, r1 square minus r2 square can be written as r1 plus r2 into r1 minus r2 equal to 28. From equation 1, r1 plus r2 is equal to 14. Therefore, 14 into r1 minus r2 equal to 28. r1 minus r2 equal to 28 by 14 equal to 2. So, r1 minus r2 equal to 2, put this as equation 2. Then, equation 1 plus equation 2 implies r1 plus r1, 2r1. r2 minus r2, 0. Then 14 plus 28. 14 plus 2 equal to 16. So equation 1 plus equation 2 implies 2r1 equal to 16. Therefore r1 equal to 8. 16 by 2, 8. Put this value of r1 in equation 2, we get 8 minus r2 equal to 2. 8 minus r2 equal to 2 means 8 minus 2 equal to r2. Therefore r2 equal to 6. Now we have got the radii of A and B. Next, we are asked to find out the ratio of the volumes of A and B. We know volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, ratio between the volumes here is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube is to 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. On both sides there are 4 by 3 pi that can be cancelled. We get r1 cube is to r2 cube. r1 is 8, r2 is 6. Therefore, 8 cube is to 6 cube. It can be written as 8 into 8 into 8 is to 6 into 6 into 6. Divided by 2 On both sides we get 4 into 4 into 4 is to 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 64 is to 27. This is the final answer.